In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the URL of your Google Calendar. This process might initially seem a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to share your calendar with whomever you wish in a few simple clicks. So, let's get started. First, head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering calendar.google.com into the address bar. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a variety of features designed to organize your schedule. Don't be overwhelmed, all we need to focus on is accessing the settings. Next, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This is your access to the settings menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. Once you've entered the settings menu, you'll see a list on the left side of your screen. Here, look for the section titled Settings for My Calendars. This section contains all the calendars you have created or have access to. Now scroll through this list and click on the name of the specific calendar you want to share. Selecting the right calendar is crucial, so make sure you've chosen the one that fits your needs. After choosing the correct calendar, you will see various options for managing your calendar settings. The focus here is on integrating your calendar for sharing. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Integrate Calendar. Within this section, you'll find a couple of key options. Look for the public URL to this calendar and public address in iCal format. These are your sharing options. The public URL is ideal for easy viewing in a web browser, while the iCal link is beneficial if you want your calendar to be integrated with a third-party app that supports the iCal format. Once you've identified both of these links, all that's left is to decide which one you need and copy it. All you have to do is highlight the link, right-click and select Copy. You can then paste this URL into an email, a message, or wherever you need to share it. And that's it, you're done. Whether you need to share your calendar with co-workers, friends, or family, you've now got the tools to do it with ease. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your schedules in sync.